Hi and welcome to this Pracflo tutorial on the client booking portal. Before I go into showing you the settings for this, I'll just give you a bit of background. The client booking portal is where you can email the quote for an event to your client. Then the client can make a partial payment and enter some information on the booking that'll come back to assist you with your event planning. So first and foremost, we need to go into the settings section on Pracflo. And if you haven't already, toggle this switch here under bookings for the event portal access. So you just scroll down to bookings and you can see that here, event booking portal. Once that's checked and it's green, we can go into the payment methods section. In payment methods, you can add 3 different types of payments for your clients to use, which is credit card processing via Stripe. You would need to sign up for an account at stripe.com and obtain your API keys, which you can read more about on the Stripe website. PayPal, and just manual payments, which lets you specify the payment details. So credit card, first thing here you will see is a public key and a private key. So once you obtain these from Stripe after signing up, fill those into the box and click save, and you can then enable that using the toggle switch. PayPal, this just needs an email address for your PayPal account. Enter that and click save and turn on the toggle. Manual payments, this just lets you specify some text with an account number or bank account, any other way which you would like the customer to make a manual payment. Enter that and click save. Once you've set up your payment methods, you can go to booking form fields. Booking form fields lets you add custom boxes or text fields to the booking form that the client will fill in. Click the add item button and you can enter risk factors which the client can specify on the form. So for example, what is the type of risk at their event? You can ask them to complete a text box entry or tick some boxes. So an example of this might be, how many patrons do you expect to attend your event? Is parking available for paramedics? Which could be a checkbox, etc., etc. Once you've entered those details, click the save button. And now you've completed the setup portion of the event booking portal. Now I'm going to show you how the client accesses the portal. From the quotation screen, once you've constructed your quote and entered the client's details, click the save button. Click email quote. This will compose the email to your client. You'll notice in the email there is a unique link which the customer will click on to complete the booking. Here you can see the booking screen that the client accesses via the unique link in their email. This will display the quote as you've composed it within Pracflo. Client clicks next. They provide some information on their accounts, contacts, etc. There is a required field there that they need to complete for the email address. The risk assessment, this is the custom fields which I showed you earlier in the setup option. So this allows the client to enter text or tick boxes based on your customized event risk assessment. Once the client completes that, click next. This will give you an option to pay a full amount or a 50% deposit. These are pre-configured amounts which can't be changed. The options for payment are the options which you have enabled in the client booking section within Pracflo. So pay with credit card, which is the Stripe portal, or manual offline payment, which will display the payment information. Once the client has completed the payment, a booking confirmation screen will be displayed. You can then go into the event medical plan for that event and click the booking tab up the top, which will display the booking fields that the client has entered during the booking process.